Did you know that some cars are so fast and powerful that they push the boundaries of what we thought was possible? When it comes to automotive engineering, this fact about the Bugatti Chiron is truly mind-blowing. The Bugatti Chiron is a hypercar that is known for its incredible speed and performance. It is powered by a quad-turbocharged W16 engine that produces a staggering 1,500 horsepower and 1,180 lb-ft of torque, making it one of the most powerful cars ever built. But perhaps most astonishing of all is the Chiron's top speed, which has been officially verified at 304 miles per hour. That makes it the fastest production car in the world, capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. To achieve this level of performance, the Chiron is made with some of the most advanced materials and engineering techniques available, including a carbon fiber monocoque chassis and advanced aerodynamics that keep the car stable at high speeds. So there you have it, the mind-blowing automotive fact about the Bugatti Chiron. With its incredible power and speed, this hypercar has set a new standard for automotive performance and engineering. Thanks for watching, and be sure to let us know in the comments which car you think is the craziest.